Hi. So let's connect your WhatsApp to the WymBee platform. We're going to redirect to Facebook. Get started. Choose the portfolio you'd like to connect. You can choose an existing number or a new number. Choose the category you want. You can change the details as you'd like. Make sure you use your actual number. This is just a test for you guys. And you're done. You're going to redirect back to WymBee in a bit. And once you're done, just click on connected. Choose to subscribe to the app. Click again and register. And we're done. It's that easy. Your number is connected. See you on the next one.